Is spring car maintenance different from winter maintenance? Now that you've made it through the winter, you may be thinking about gearing your car up for spring. Well, college kids are traveling for spring break, families are taking vacations for the Easter holiday, and various events are happening that you may want to attend by car. You need to make sure that your car will be able to handle the increase in usage. If you had your winter safety inspection, then you may want to have your car maintained for the spring. Is spring maintenance different from winter maintenance? The simple answer would be yes, it is different, but it's not that much different between the two. Both involve preparing your car for the coming season and making sure that your car will transport you to your destination safely. Both involve making sure that your car will last longer on the road. The difference is minute, but it is worth noting. How are they the same? Both winter and spring maintenance involves the same basic tenets of car maintenance. One of the main tasks would be getting your oil changed. An oil change will keep your car lubricated, keep the engine clean, and protect delicate engine parts against heat and friction. Changing air and oil filters will stem the introduction of contaminants into the oil and engine. Your brake fluid keeps your brakes lubricated, and the maintained brake lines will guard against leaks, corrosion, or breaks. A wheel alignment will keep your car centered and easier to control while driving. Proper tire inflation will make sure the air pressure inside is at a safe level. Having your tires rotated will help the tread to wear evenly and help the tires to last longer. Winter and spring tasks would also include a check of the steering and suspension system to make sure that your car will give you a safer, more comfortable, and controlled ride. What's the difference? Well, the main difference between winter and spring tasks would be the type of oil that is used in the oil change. In the wintertime, you probably switched your oil to a thinner or lighter weight. This was done to let the oil properly lubricate and protect the engine by being able to flow over the parts in very cold temperatures. During the warmer months, you probably switched your oil back to thicker or heavier oil. This is the main difference between preparing your car for winter and preparing it for spring. What tasks to always remember? Regardless of the season, you want to make sure that you practice regular general car maintenance. Each seasonal inspection will make sure that your car will make it through the upcoming weather changes. For spring, you'll be making sure that you're using the correct type of oil for warmer weather and for the make, model, and year of your car. If you're not sure which to use, you can consult the owner's manual or ask your mechanic. Always make sure that when you have your oil change, you also have your oil and air filters changed. Check your spark plugs, wires, and your battery. Clean off and inspect the battery posts and connection points. Inspect your brakes and make sure that your pads are intact and the discs show even wear. Look at your tires and check for any uneven wear patterns in the tread. Have your wheels aligned and your tires inspected and rotated if needed. You should also include checks of the steering and suspension, electrical system, and make any necessary repairs or replacements.